my channel. I am naturally Curlysa, and today I'm a pre-poo. You know, I pre-pooed for the first time my last wash day, and I don't know why I ain't never been pre-pooing before. Like, it's crazy. So before I get started, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. I have a lot more content on there. I'm on the journey to 10K. I hit 9,000 today, so I'm super excited. For my pre-poo pleasure, I'm going to be using the Curlysa Tenderhead Detangling treatment. I'm running out. This is really for kids, but it has marshmallow root in it, and I love it. I'm also going to mix it with this Aussie Miracle Moist. So I accidentally bought shampoo instead of conditioner. So I'm just going to use a regular conditioner and mix it with the pre-poo. Go from there. Alright, so I'm just going to spray my hair with some water. And I'm going to cut this into sections because my hair is dry. And then I'm going to take some of this pre-poo and just put it, make sure I focus on my ends. And I know for a fact that I'm going to run out, so I'm just going to mix this with this conditioner. And I'm going to finger detangle so that I don't pull most of my hair out. There you go. Let's speed up the video because I don't... Y'all get it. I'm gonna show y'all the difference. So I have pre-pooed this whole side, and then this is the side that's not pre-pooed, obviously. So I'm gonna go through and pre-poo this side, and then we'll be done. This video will be over. That's all. There's not that much to show you. I'm just detangling my hair. I am all done. My hair is officially pre-pooed in the poo-pre. So my hair is, there's slip, because that's what pre-poos do. So I'm all done. Do y'all pre-poo? What you pre-poo with? Give me some suggestions. Do y'all do DIYs? What y'all do? So, that's all I got, people. I'll see y'all on the next video.